Hi, I'm Lucie Horber of Royal Interior Design. Welcome to our RENO DECOR showroom. Today we're very excited to show you and talk to you about an upcoming event in Toronto, the Interior Design Show 2019. We'll be working with RENO DECOR magazine and we will be conducting interviews with some of our top key suppliers and trades and manufacturers in the business. And we're going to be showing you some of last year's trends and how we conduct our business here at our showroom. Some trends from last year included dual cabinetry, large islands, and big square on-demand sinks. For countertops, it really varied between thick gray veining against white marble-esque pattern, or more simplistic, understated veining from different companies. Come and join us with RENO DECOR magazine as we take you through the journey of learning about all the latest trends and new products at the Interior Design Show 2019. See you then!